So we gotta do some product research. Interestingly enough, when I first went on to this account, because I had asked him to list something, right? Just a test list. And he did. And it was the Sonic Heroes PlayStation 2 game. And it already has 10 views, but it's already sold too. Well, somebody tried to buy it. Um, so where is it? Why don't I see it? What the heck? Hold on. Hold up. Maybe I'm wrong. That must have been a glitch. They make me look crazy. But regardless, it still got oh, okay. It still got 10 views. I thought it got sold. Or maybe it was an offer that expired. But first thing we got to do is we're going to have to, and I want to explain to you guys real quick why this is important. We're going to have to change his name, okay? Now, I'm just not trying to show y'all his information. Make sure it ain't not near. Give me 1 second. But the reason you want to make sure your name on eBay is relevant to what you're selling is because you have to start to get in that mindset that this eBay account that you're working on, this is legitimately your business. It's for your business. But we can't change it until 30 days. So we have to wait. But it's your business, right? So you want your business to have some type of jingle, some type of how can I put this? If I'm selling if I'm selling scissors, right? If I'm selling scissors on eBay. Yes, Paris. Um, so if you have scissors, right? You want to make sorry guys, son, winter break and my son is here and oh my god. Anyway, we're selling scissors, right? And you have an eBay and you want to be known for selling scissors, you can make your eBay name an office supply name, right? Because it can help you when it comes to people remembering your eBay, remembering, hey, I ordered from XXX. And also, the method that we utilize is putting flyers in packaging with your business name plus a website. So eventually, we want to turn your eBay name into a website so that people don't have to shop on eBay but can instead shop on your website. Okay, that's the reason why. All right. Now, when it comes to product research, that's the interesting twist too. Is we have to make sure that we are looking for products that actually are going to sell. Now, I already showed you guys the Google Trends method, right? In the Google Trends method, that's going to be a method that I use and we utilize with automation. You can see what's trending, but again, like it's going to show you a bunch of things, and you would have to let's see. See, it's not a lot. Stop the video stop. Like you'll have to like really look and see what in your selling niche is trending, but it may not necessarily be everything. You know what I mean? Because there's always more. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we can look up anything like phone chargers. So we look up phone chargers, right? We can see it's selling okay, right? We see that in Pennsylvania, I already see that there's 71 searches. Now, see, that's really good. That's really really good because now what it tells me is it tells me that if I was to create a Google Ads, that I would be straight. Like I would be able to hopefully sell some chargers. But regardless, you see Belkin. Belkin is a charging brand, and Belkin is let's see, Belkin 24 watt. Okay, so let's look at this. And I'm gonna show you exactly what I mean, right? And why I'm looking up this stuff. Now, while we may not sell Belkin, we can sell something that looks like this. So now I know, okay, a dual charger adapter is popping right now. So now what I would do is I would send this whole picture to my distributor and I would tell him, hey, I need something just like this ASAP. And you want to know what happens? He gives it to me. And then you want to know what happens? We put it on your eBay. And then you know what happens? You get sales. So that's our research formula that we do. And you can do it on a small scale, a big scale, whatever. But again, we don't usually just do product research on here. But if we were, we can do the Belkin wall charger. And we can see, and watch this. We can even go all the way down to sold. Okay. Now you see a set of two. So December 30th. That was that was the day. Okay. For 14. But we're starting to see. Right? Now all I need to do is get a charger that looks just like this. I can also see if they already have generic ones out. And if they don't, that's perfect. Because there's a charger like this. I already know there's a charger like this. That's not Belkin brand, you know. But like if you are a reseller, see these are like generic. It look like, you know. If you are a reseller, then this is a great way for you to find products to resell too. You can go ahead and look for a Belkin chargers, right? So that's sort of kind of the best way for you to be able to do like product research that I could explain currently. And I go through and teach you how to do different listings as well. But right now, what we're gonna do is we're actually going to start listing some trending products that we know are trending. Um, and you guys are gonna come along with me, okay? Now, this is a trending product that we do have in stock all the time. You guys already know what it is. If you guys have been watching me, I've been literally trying to sell this for the longest. And finally it started to pick up, right? We have one page that has a bunch of views with this one product. On Macari. I think it's like 300 and something. And we get maybe 5 to 7 sales every day. And we're selling it for like $11 to $15. So it is this right here. This I guess you would call it charging pad. It's really, really nice. It's really nice. And if you guys watch my videos, you've seen me have this in my hand a few times. Okay, so we're gonna go. And where am I getting this stuff from that I'm putting? So we already have emails every morning. Your assistant is emailed a list of trending products, right? So every single morning around like 7, I have a debrief with everybody's assistant, and basically we go over what's trending, what's not trending, what to sell, what to take down. And again, this is something that we've been able to have success with, right? So that is why we do that. And that's why it's sort of kind of, it's an easy approach, right? Like everything is uniform. Now, when it comes to shipping, we're going to offer free shipping and we're going to make sure we can list. I hope he doesn't have nothing where we can't list. Okay, we forgot something, right? So, okay. So I'm branded. Charging dock. Yeah, it's a charging dock. Okay, so list. All right. All right, let me go to the email. Here's another thing that's selling. So speakers sell really well as well. Speakers are pretty good, but the thing about speakers is speakers take a while to sell because again, it's so many variations of speakers, I shall say, that people can get that sometimes they become a little bit frustrated or confused on what to buy. So you'll find that speakers are usually going to be, we'll do boom boxes, yep. They're going to usually be, and we're going to do this one right here, yep. they're gonna usually be a bit slow to sell, but when they do start selling, they start selling. You know what I mean? So that's why we usually do sell these speakers. But again, we play around with profile pictures. And see this, you want to make sure that you just clear this, that like you don't want it to say China. You do not want it to say China. We imported from another post, so it will look kind of weird. All right, boom. Yeah. Then we'll do. We're not gonna do it. We'll do 30. Then we do quantities of 10. It's not 10 pounds at all. And then of course, yes, we will offer free shipping. Okay. We'll pay $6. What's going? I was about to say it should be 4. All right. So we'll probably do like 5 more. No, let's. I'm not gonna do that. Okay, we could do this. I guess. Should we do that one? No, we don't want to. A good old product to list too. I'm just looking through this email, guys. Is going to be the MagSafe. Okay, so the MagSafe. Let's see. Give me 1 second. MagSafe chargers are selling really well too, and we can go boom. Boom. We'll do $13. We gotta do a picture first. Do unbranded for Apple, for iPhone. We'll do. Let's just do. I think let's do $12.50 just to start out. We'll up the price until we go up to like 15. We'll do 4. Okay. Offer free shipping again, and we list. Perfect. Perfecto. Now I want to do this one, but I need to find pictures. Let me see. I want to do some good iPhone 7 headphones, but I want to do pictures. I want to do some nice pictures. I mean, we could do. Those are not going to transfer. Okay. So we'll do new. I don't know, y'all. There's some good pictures right here. We just want simple pictures. Like, we don't want nothing too crazy. But I do want to show packaging. See, that's the issue. But the ones I see right now, they're not the right packaging. Okay. I have to look for the packaging. It's a certain package that these come in that I want, and well, they're up there. It's a certain package that I'm just trying to ensure that I can actually show. Like, I want to be as accurate as possible when I am making my listings as far as showing packages, because if I show the correct packaging, we're going to say unbranded, then customer knows what to expect, and we're not in the business of trying to surprise a customer or anything, or trying to finesse. We do good business, because good business always pans out well, right? When you do good business. So give me that. I'm gonna offer it free and list. What did I forget now? Hit Bluetooth. Do not hit Lightning, okay? No lightning. Lightning is trademark regardless. You're gonna get a copyright strike. Once you hit lightning, you get a copyright strike. All right, and then we'll do one more. And this is gonna be a bundle. We'll do a. Let's just do a USB-C to USB-C because that's the less popular model. We'll do cables soon, but we're not gonna do cables today. We're not trying. The goal isn't to make products fly off the shelf immediately. The goal is to show the algorithm that we sell electronics. So that's what we're doing right now. Is we're trying to show, hey, we sell electronics. These are the type of electronics we sell, and then take it from there. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Boom. Connectivity. USB-C. And then with the description, we could do maybe 750. Mind you, we eat any cost. So again, like the goal is for you to make the most money. That's the goal. All right. Do free shipping and list. Then that's it. And that's it right there. All right, guys. So that's how you list. Let me go and handle this account. I gotta go call the assistant, let him know I'm listing stuff on air. And yeah, I might come back and you know list some more things as well. But again, it's just all about listing. We want to prime it. We want to make sure that you're getting certain products up, and that you get sales. So we'll start to just keep an eye on this so we can show you guys some progression. And again, guys, I appreciate you guys watching always. All right, thank you so much, and I hope you guys continue to make money work for you and don't work for the money. You guys be safe and continue to grow. And yeah, tomorrow's New Year's Eve, so yeah, the year's almost over, man, and we just gotta do better. Let's get it.